Hi guys, I'm Karthikesh. In this video, we are going to interface keypad with Arduino. So let's go and let's get it. In this project, we need Arduino and then Arduino cable. Then I'm having a 4x4 keypad module. There are so many variants, but I choose this module. So here it is 4 into 4, which contains 4 rows and 4 columns. And it also contains female pins so that when we going to connect the keypad to the Arduino, we need a male to male jumper wire, but it seems to look more wire connections, but I am choosing just this male to male pins. You can see here I am just collecting this male to male pin I am going to use with this module. So let's go. Just look at the module. That is like a paper-like structure, but there are more and more things inside this module. You can see later. First, we are going to connect the male-to-male pin to this module. So here it is, and then next, I'm going to connect this module, and here it goes. Then take Arduino UNO. In this Arduino UNO, we are going to connect the keypad module from digital pin 2 to digital pin 9. So you can see here I'm going to just place it the module in Arduino UNO. So that's it. This is the circuit diagram of this project. After you have done, just plug the Arduino to your laptop. To work with this module, we need a specific library. So just go to Chrome and type keypad.h download. Then you can see here there is a link. Just click to the link and then scroll down. You can see download, install and import, and download here. Just click and download the keypad.zip file, which is a library file to use. We are going to use in this tutorial. After downloading it, just we need to import the library. So go to open the Arduino software and then go to sketch, then include library, then add zip library. So you can choose your specific path in where you have downloaded the zip file. So here we go, the library is successfully added, and then we need to we need to open an example code from the library. So go to file, examples, and then you can scroll down. You can see the keypad, then go to custom keypad. We need to customize the following code to according to our needs. So scroll down, here you can see the row pins, but we need to change according to our needs. So I'm going to change that, which is 9, 8, 7, 6. Then column pins, which is 5, 4, 3, 2. So I've changed that. Then go upside, you can see. Okay, just we're going to upload that, and then after uploading, you can see with the serial monitor. Just open the serial monitor, press Ctrl Shift M, or just go to tools and then you can see the serial monitor. So see here, while I'm pressing 1, it shows 0, then 1, 2. Something is wrong here, because while I'm pressing 1, it shows me 0. Okay, then we need to change the code according to our need. So you can see, I'm going to close this, then open the. So you can see that there's a array of elements which is aligned 0, 1, 2, 3, but in our keypad there is 1, 2, 3a. You need to change that values. So see here 1, 2, and then 3, then a, then here b, c, d. Okay, we need to change all the numbers. So 6, 5, 4, 9, 8, 7, and then star 0 hash. Okay, we need to change all the one. So I just changed it. You also change according to your keypad module. Okay, it's all done, and then I'm going to upload the program. Okay, just click upload. So when the code is uploaded successfully. We need to open the serial monitor to get the values from the keypad. So go to tools and then serial monitor, or just press Ctrl Shift M to open the serial monitor. So you can see here while I'm pressing 1, it shows me 1, and following according to the keypad 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and then star 0 hash DCBA. So successfully we have interfaced keypad module with our Arduino. Before 1 year I already uploaded the Tamil version of this video. You can check in my channel or just see the link in the description. With this module we are going to do more projects in upcoming video. So stay tuned with Karthikesh Robotics, like, share and subscribe to Karthikesh Robotics.